Meaning of hand luggage.
Hand luggage.
Hand luggage.
Hand luggage.
Hand luggage. Hand luggage refers to the bags or suitcases that passengers are allowed to carry with them on board an airplane or other mode of transportation. These bags are generally smaller in size and can be stored in overhead compartments or under the seat in front of the passenger. They typically contain items that are needed during the flight, such as travel documents, electronic devices, personal hygiene items, medication, and snacks. Hand luggage is subject to certain restrictions and regulations, such as weight and size limits, and may vary depending on the airline or transportation provider.